Hello guys, welcome to my channel, The Life Easy. So today we are going to discuss about the one of issue in Canon 800D. So some countries the model name is T7i Rebel. The issue I bought this camera last week and I found within one day I found there is one issue is there. I thought of visiting service center, but before that I was trying some videos which are available on YouTube, and I did not found this proper solution. So I played around the different settings in this camera and I found a very good solution for this. So we'll see the first issue. So this camera model is 800D. Here you can see. Yeah. So now I turn on this flash and the camera is on. If you put any mode, this issue is common. So we'll see what is the issue. So here you can see it is buzzing. It's creating buzzing sound. So basically what it is trying to do is this is the giving some flash, some source of light to assist this autofocus system of this camera. But somehow there is I don't know, I think this is the quality issue with this particular camera or something else, I don't know. But this is a quite annoying thing because people paid full money to this Canon people, but they are getting this kind of defective products. So anyway, I'll show some settings and we can avoid this the flash which is coming during this autofocus, because when you are trying to take the photograph of portrait like human being or animals, so it may create some distractions because it's continuously flashing during this focusing itself, and it may create some the glare in the human eyes or animal eyes, and will not get a proper photograph because they will get distracted because of this flash. So what I recommend is I'm not a professional photographer, but still I think this is the better option, that is IR AF beam. But somehow with the default options, the default setting, this is not working. So I hope this Canon people, they will fix this issue. So I'll show the different settings and we can come up with the solution and we can avoid this issue. So I was trying to search different videos on YouTube and I found there are two settings are there, but those two settings are very like behavior of camera is in low light is very is not consistent. So whatever I'm going to tell is this is like very much consistent and I like these settings. So you can try these settings in your camera. I saw there are a lot of comments on YouTube, like people even 200D model, this issue is there. They are not able to use this IF AR focusing beam. This will help for autofocus in night photography. So we'll see different settings. First click on the menu. I hope you can able to see my screen. Yeah. So the first option is the shooting setting. In that you have to go to the second tab. Here you can see the second tab. In that you have to go choose third option, that is a red eye reduction. So click on this. By default it is a disable. You make it enable. Now go back to this main setting page and click on this function settings. So in function settings there is one more tab is there. I think the fourth tab you have to click, and in fourth tab there is one more option, that is custom functions. Click on that and there are four options: enable, disable, enable external flash, and IR AF assist beam only. So select this. Now these two settings I found in a lot of YouTube videos, but these are they are not very much consistent, and just when I was trying to focus in a very dark room and I turn off all the lights, the autofocus system, it was doing back and forth and it was not able to focus properly. So I played around different settings in a camera, and I found this is the best solution, and you can also try in your camera. So hopefully this video will help for this actually. So what I do is I'll tell these other options you can try in your camera and it will start working. So by default there is option is there, this one shot. This is under method of focusing. So what you have to do is I will try AF beam is working or not. So what I found is when there is a small light source is there. Right now I'm shooting at around 9 o'clock or something in my home, but there is sufficient light right now. I turn on all the lights in the room, so it is somehow it is working. But when I'm taking this camera in a dark room, this is not working with these two settings. So what we have to do is, the third setting we have to do is click on this method of focusing. In method of focusing you can choose two options, the AI focus and AI servo. So with these two options what I found is this AI focus. This is the option where you can use this IR AF beam, but there is a trick, like we have to find at least some small amount of light source. So what I did is I taken this camera in a very dark room and I found that some window area there was a small light source, and so what I did is with that small light I just press this half shutter, and somehow I made turn it on this IR AF beam, and with that same position I just moved my camera and I was trying to take the photograph of that particular object when I was trying to get that particular object photographed. But what happened is with that it is kind of autofocus locked kind of thing was there, so it was still the camera was locked position and it was trying to focus on that window position area. So the distance it was not able to adjust when we just moved to that towards that object where I want to take the photographs. I hope you understood what I'm saying is. So I'll tell this is the best setting you can try. So out of all the three settings, you just go for AI servo. So with AI servo I found that this IR AF beam working very consistently, and it was helping to focus any of the object in my dark room. So you can try this option and let me know whether this is working or not in the comments. So I can show the demonstration. Now you can see this with half press, you can see this beam is turning on. So I cannot demonstrate right now because I have to turn off all the lights in my room, but here you can see at least I kept all the lights on, and just to show the demonstration it's still working. So this is the best option. Now this IF AR beam is this will assist for the autofocus, and there is no flash, but the flash will come when you try to take photographs. So I'll show the demonstration. So yeah, so this AF is started and now I'll full press, so it will give the flash. So that's all guys. Now there is no buzzing sound and autofocus also happening. So I hope this is solving this problem. Okay, so overall this camera is good, I have no complaint about this, but I found this is the one issue, and I'm definitely going to visit Canon service center because this is under warranty. So that's all guys, thank you.